Attorney Linda Kenny Baden represents Casey Anthony, and she joins me this morning exclusively. Good morning, Linda.
Hi, Maggie. Nice seeing you again.
You too. Do you believe that there is just as much evidence incriminating Roy Kronk as there is against Casey?
Absolutely. I mean, you have seen the videotapes now, the interviews of the two ex-wives of the son. These people have no motive or reason to lie.
Well, but it's an ex-wife who may have an axe to grind.
No. This is one ex-wife is dying of cancer. I mean, this is like a deathbed statement. I mean, it's incredible. And the point about this is that no one investigated any of this. You know, we've talked about Casey, everyone after her. The cops are trying to make a theory fit to her. Every piece of evidence that doesn't fit to her, they throw out. They never got Mr. Kronk's cell phone records. They didn't test his DNA. I mean, we are 4 lawyers and 2 investigators, and we've uncovered this. Why couldn't they?
Well, because it really doesn't make sense that he would be the one, because he repeatedly tried to alert authorities when he says he saw the body. He tried to call it in several times. Why would he do that if he was the killer? You
know, it's easy to snatch a kid away. And I'm not just saying in this case, in any case. I mean, we see it in Florida every day. Kids are snatched away. We see people that report crimes in many other cases that are actually the people that are guilty because they want to be the person who the media loves, who's the hero. I mean, there are all sorts of reasons. But the point is that we want to present in court evidence to show that it's not just our client who should have been a suspect. Remember, we had that foreign allele, that DNA on that duct tape, which everyone talks about being important. And here we have an ex-wife talking about how her ex-husband, and not just one ex-wife, 2 ex-wives, used to brag about 100-mile-an-hour duct tape. I mean, don't you think it's something that should be investigated at least?
Do you think there's enough here to create enough doubt that Casey
we know our client is not guilty of intentional first-degree murder. We know the evidence has been compromised. We know there's nothing that links her to the crime scene. And now we have evidence that somebody else could be equally responsible as much as our client. There needs to be a proper and fair investigation.
You said that she is not guilty of intentional first-degree murder.
That's what she's charged with.
Why did you word it that way? Are you suggesting that she may be guilty of a lesser crime?
No. I'm just saying she's charged with that, and then she's not guilty of that. Absolutely.
Linda Kenny Baden, thank you.
Thank you, Maggie.
You're welcome.